Hey, if you're new to this channel, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me Muskan and I post content related to fashion, lifestyle, travel and food. So for today's video, I have a parcel for you all. This is the parcel here guys. Let me open it up to show you what we have inside. So recently Instagram पर मुझे पेज पे लिटरली इतने सारे एड्स मिल रहे थे इस साइट के फॉर शॉपिंग ईयरिंग्स. दिस साइट इतना सही इसका प्राइस रेंज था. आई वॉज एक बार तो मुझे ट्राई करना चाहिए क्योंकि एक होता है ना लड़कियों को ईयरिंग्स देखते ही आई फील अभी ये ले लूँ वो भी ले लूँ ये भी ले लूँ इतना सब कुछ. तो रिसेंटली ना मैंने बहुत इंडियन ईयरिंग्स शॉप कर लिए थे इंडियन ड्रेसेस के लिए, बट वेस्टर्न आउटफिट के लिए मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट लेट मी शॉप फ्यू ईयरिंग्स एंड गिव यू ऑल ए फीडबैक about the site also and if it's really worthy for the price and if you can shop it too. So this is what I got. Sorry, गिर गए. So this is what I got. You can see. I ordered some pendants, some bracelets, some earrings and I think so I ordered. पहले सबसे पहले बिल के बारे में बताते हैं. पैसे पैसे का चक्कर बाबू भैया. I ordered some 9 items I guess so and it costed me around 846 rupees. सब 100 के अंदर के रेंज में ही था as you can see. I think so. So सब 100 के रेंज में ही है. So there is it, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलते and let's review. Also before I begin with the review side of the video, if you like this video please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel and do support me on my journey. And let's begin with the review. So for the first item, this is what I got. I think so you can see it. So I found it to be really simple yet attractive. So I think so you can see it pretty well. I found it really nice, so I just ordered this and this is how it has come. So let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So simple yet so elegant. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this one. So this earring gets a thumbs up from my side and let's move to the next one. For the next one, I have got these pretty hoop earrings. I think so they are hexagonal in shape. You can see it, I guess. They're hexagonal and they are pretty simple yet nice for western outfits and they'll go pretty much with every outfit you wear. So let's see this. So now let's wear this, and before giving any review, let me tell you one thing that I will be linking the site in the description box. Do check it out and let me know or abhi dekhte hain how it looks. So this is how it looks, very elegant. ये बहुत सारे outfits के साथ जाता है and it also gets a thumbs up from my side. I really like this one and you can just see how it's looking. And for the next one, I have this earring right here. You can see it has got some pearl and some C-shaped design. It's so pretty, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So jokes apart, it's really pretty and really nice. So let's show how it looks also. You can see how it looks, very pretty. It's like a statement earring kind for western dresses. So simple yet very nice. I really love this one. Something very unique. Thumbs up from my side. Next one here is this earring, pearl kind of. This is also very pretty, very elegant, just looking like a wow earring. बहुत ही मस्त लगा मेरे को तो, that's why I got this and let's see how it looks. You can see this one, it really elevates the area over here. I think so. I feel so it really elevates the area over here and it's very pretty. It gives your like ear some attention. मतलब इधर पे attention आता है कि yeah you have worn something, so it looks really pretty. And it's also a thumbs up from my side. Do let me know in the comment section which one do you like the most out of all the collection. Next one has to be my favorite. It's this pretty butterfly earring. You can see this. It's so pretty, so nice. I just love it. This has to be my second favorite, I guess so let's see it. You can see this. It's very pretty, very cute. Like this is the cutest earring I am owning right now. Another pearl earring. I think so this is the third pearl earring. I feel like I'm now obsessed with pearls, but this is another simple classy earring. So let's see this also. This is how it looks and it's so elegant. It looks really nice. You can see it. I'm just in love with the earrings. It also gets a thumbs up from my side. So we are done with earrings and now I have got this bracelet and some pendants also. So let's start with the bracelet first. I have not owned any bracelet yet, so I thought that I should get one and let's see how it has arrived. खुल नहीं रहा है मुझसे भाई. वो क्या था, ऐसा ऐसा कोई एक डांस था ना. मस्ती नहीं करते
बोले बेटा मस्ती नहीं.
This is how it looks. So pretty. मैं तो इसको वो ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. See, it's so pretty and so cute. So it looks very nice. My first bracelet. मुक्का मार दूंगी, ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है किसी को. Lala. Next one is this pretty necklace or pendant, you can say, not necklace actually, and it's got really cute butterflies in it. On it, sorry, it has got really cute butterflies on it, and it looks so cute. So let's try it. This is how it looks. So pretty. So cute. You can see it already. I'm really liking the pendant as well, so it's also a thumbs up from my side. Let's go to the next one. And the next one is this cute heart-shaped earring, which gives me lover girl vibes, and it's really cute. Spring season ke, like it, how do I say that, spring vibes it gives me. So very pretty and very cute. Let's try this. It's really pretty pendant over here, जिसको मैंने पहले earring बोल दिया था. It is also a thumbs up from my side and it's very cute. I just loved it, and it can be worn with tops as well, so thumbs up. That's it for the video. This is the collection that I got from everstylish.com. It is not a sponsored video guys. स्पॉन्सर हो भी नहीं सकता क्योंकि हमारे पास उतने सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं हैं, और सब्सक्राइबर्स कैसे आएंगे जब आप हमें सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. तो आप प्लीज़ जाकर सब्सक्राइब करें एंड लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर भी करें वीडियो को विथ योर फ्रेंड्स to support me. And that is it for the video. If you like this video, already I have told you to like, comment and subscribe. तो मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye and take care.